Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow applications to use our phone options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To allow our chosen application to use our phone, we first have to go to Settings, then we're looking for Security and Privacy options, and here we have Privacy. And in Permission Manager, we are looking for Phone. As you can see, 7 out of 18 applications are here allowed to use our phone functions. So let's add more. Let's say Gmail is allowed to use our phone. Phone access for this app is now allowed. And here we have Gmail is now allowed to use our phone functions. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.